Hi, hello everyone. So we again have some new opportunities that have recently come up, and I've made a video to talk about those ones. There are 5 to 6 opportunities and open positions that are actively hiring right now. So if you're looking for a chance, or if you know some of your friends or contact who are wanting to get a chance, then definitely do share this video with them so that they can apply to these ones. And for all such updates and more material related to technical coding, interview preparation, and productivity, software engineering, you can definitely hit the subscribe button and do like the video if you consider this helpful. And yeah, let's directly move on to the opportunities now. All right, so the first one that we have right now is from PayPal, which is a great place to work at. So the role is a full-time role for a software engineer one. So basically a starting role, and then Chennai and Bangalore are the job locations that they are fine with. So you can apply to any one of those. Then they mention something about themselves, about the company, and then you can check for the description summary. So only 2019 and 2020 grads can apply. So currently students who are in final year cannot. Then they have mentioned something about the job description. So this will be a part of development team, so software development engineer role. And then the responsibilities will include focused on developing code as well as commented code, and then code reviews, and then designing and unit tests and quality assurance operations. So it will involve basically all aspects of software engineering. Then travel percent is 0. You won't have to travel for this particular role. The locations are again Bangalore and Chennai. So that's pretty much it. You can hit this button to apply and make sure you apply as soon as possible. All right. So the next open position is from Airtel, and this is also a hiring challenge that is currently going on as part of Hacker Earth assessment. And this starts on the 3rd of April. So it has not yet begun and will close on the 4th of April. So it's just one live for 1 or 2 days, and it's going to be for 2.5 hours. There will be 2 problems to solve. So they mentioned 2 coding questions on data structures and algorithms that you'll need to solve. And the eligibility involves all engineering grads from colleges across India, bachelors in engineering or technical field in CS and IT branches only. The graduation years can be 19, 20, 21. All batches are applicable for this one because 0 plus experience is what's required. Then they've also mentioned the CTC to be around 15 to 18. And that's all about it. You can go through this once. They mentioned something about the role, so maintenance and building of high quality software applications, and then some responsibilities that they've mentioned. You can go through this before applying for the challenge. The skills required will basically be Java, Python, Ruby, NoSQL database knowledge, caching, and then version control tools, Git. Then you have computer science fundamentals, data structures, algorithms, designing, complexity analysis, basic stuff. And then something about the culture, and you're an ideal fit if you follow these criteria, all that. So about the company, we can read from here. Then they mentioned guidelines about the challenge, how to attend the challenge, and Hacker Earth UI. Then also some frequently asked questions about the challenge. So read through those before registering. And this is going to be live only for 2 days. Make sure you attempt the challenge within this window. So that's pretty much it. And moving on to the next one. Okay, so the next opening is from Air Asia, and this is for a software engineer one, starting role. Job location will be Bangalore, and this is the job ID. You can find it here. They mentioned something about the responsibilities. Read through these ones, and then qualifications and requirements are 0 to 3 years of experience. So freshers as well as experienced candidates from batches 2019, 2021 all can apply. Then you need to be proficient with bug tracking and test management tool sets, working knowledge in Java, PHP, Python, or any other language, CI/CD knowledge, then REST APIs and version control, all that. And then they also show some skills for the previous hires that they had. So this gives you an idea of basically what they are looking for. Also the years of experience for previous hires. So a lot of them were like 2 to 4 or less than 2 years experience. So freshers can definitely consider applying. And then they mentioned something about the perks and benefits offered with this. So flight discounts, lifestyle, entertainment, then gaming room, PS4, medical entitlement, all that. So it's a pretty good culture over at AirAsia, a good place to work at. So definitely do consider applying. And this is for again your technical side. So make sure you hit this button to apply, and link will be mentioned in the description below. Okay, next one is from SAP Labs, and this was considered as one of the best places to work for in the recent years. So it has great culture. This one's not exactly an application based position. This is actually a hackathon that is going on. So it starts on the 16th of March and will be live till 18th of April. So there's a lot of time, and the team size will be from 1 to 4. So a person can apply by himself or herself, or you can have maximum of 4 members in your team. Then they've mentioned the eligibility criteria for this one to be BE, BTech or dual degree, even MCA or MTech, all first, second, third, fourth. Every student can apply basically. And then they mentioned the format for the hackathon. So the timeline will be your phase 1. Then basically this is registration, team formation, and submission. Then evaluations will start from 19th to 23rd. Then you have your shortlist, and then some demo with the team, and then your final presentation. So after this is when they decide your application, if it has been accepted or not. They have mentioned some themes for which you can probably consider your idea for the hackathon around. So go through these ones, and then the prizes will be for first prize, second prize, third prize, you have these values, and then you have some goodies and participation certificates. So definitely do consider applying to this. Any student, any branch can apply with your friends, form a team and register from here and decide on an idea, a topic, and then submit your submission before the 18th of April, after which you'll probably receive a call back from the team if your submission has been shortlisted. So those were all the applications and open positions that we have for now, and I'll keep on coming up with the new ones as I find them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can consider subscribing to the channel for all updates about the open positions and for material related to preparing for these positions as well. So everything related to technical programming, coding rounds, and interview preparation, software engineering is what's going to be put out on this channel. So do consider sharing it around with your friends who are looking for jobs right now. I do hope that this helps them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with the new positions in the next video.